In this video, I'm going to show you how to build production-ready applications with AI. I'm going to show you how to make your vibe-coded applications production-ready. So you might be asking, what does production-ready means? Production-ready simply means making your application ready for the real world. Over here, it says production-ready means a software that works reliably for real users in the real world. Your software has to be reliable, secured, tested, scalable, and observable. Hope you get. Over here, it also says here you have to have your application built, tested, and ready for the real world. So, production ready simply means making your application ready for the real world. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your vibe coded applications production ready. So, without further ado, let's get started right now. Okay, so on my screen here, I have a vibe coded application. I built this with AI in less than 10 minutes. It's a blog application. So here's the full version on my browser. So you can come on board, create your articles, you get. So right now I'm going to log in and show you how it works. So I'm getting logged in. So via you can create your articles, you can manage your articles. It's something like medium.com you get. So it works perfectly. You can explore articles on the page. You can decide to read them. You can decide to drop a like. You can decide to bookmark a article if you want. You can drop a comment if you also want to. You can write your own article. So this application works perfectly on my computer. It works perfectly. But I can't really say if the application is production ready. I can't say because vibe because I built this with AI. I added vibe coded. I did not write a single line of code by myself. So right now I can't tell if the app is production ready or not. So that's where this video comes in. I'm going to show you how to make this vibe coded application production ready. So back to my VS Code. So over here on VS Code, here's the source code on VS Code. On the right side of VS Code, I have Codex opened up. So if you don't have Codex on your computer, what you can do is very simple. Go over to VS Code, go over to the extension panel, look up Codex from OpenAI, just search for Codex, choose the option from OpenAI, the first one, have Codex installed, and you'll be good to go. You get so install this extension and you have it here on the right side of your VS Code. If you don't see it on the right side of VS Code, if it's not there, you always see this chat icon up here, this toggle chat icon. Click on the drop down. Sorry, click on it, and then you will see Copilot. You will see chat. Chat is Copilot. It comes with VS Code, and then you will see your installed Codex extension. So if you also installed Claude Code, you're also going to see Claude Code up here. So currently we'll be using Codex for this exercise. So right now I have my source code ready. I have my application ready. So it's time for us to make our vibe coded application production ready. So right now let's get to it. Okay, so right now I'm going to paste in my prompt to make the application production ready. So here's the prompt. So the prompt says, scan this application for production readiness and point out architecture bottlenecks, point out the scalability risks, security concerns, performance improvements, and proposed a phased implementation plan to help move the application from its works to production ready. Do not modify the code yet. So I'm going to use a skill. I'm going to add a skill. I'm going to say use the architecture skill. So the skill is called architect. Use architect skill. So what does this skill do? I'm going to show you what this skill does. I'm going to open the skill, double tap it. It's a .md file. So if you need the skill, just drop a comment below. I will drop the link to the skill. Don't worry, I'm going to link up this. I'm going to drop the link to this skill in this video's description. So it says here, you are a senior engineer sitting with a developer before they start building. So the skill just simply helps me to make the right decisions. The skill gives me suggestion. It helps me decide, and it's been very, very helpful. I discovered the skill from the JavaScript Mastery YouTube channel. and I've been using the skill since then, and it has been super helpful. So I'm going to link down this .md file in this video's description so you can check it out. Once you have the .md file, go down to your AI agent and ask it to convert the .md file to a SKU for your AI agents, whereby you can invoke the skill with the slash command. Right now, I'm able to invoke my skill using the slash command. I can just simply just say slash architect or slash the skill name, and you'll be able to invoke the skill. So I have my skill invoked, and I have my prompts. The prompt says scan the application for production readiness, point out architecture bottlenecks, scalability risks, security concerns, performance improvement, and propose a phased implementation plan to help move the application from its works to production ready, and do not modify the code yet. So I'm currently using GPT 5.5, and I'm going to simply send the prompt and then wait for a response from Codex. Okay, so Codex has scanned the project and it has pointed out the architecture bottlenecks. It has listed out the architecture bottlenecks for me. Over here, I also have the scalability risk. You get, yeah, over here, I also have security concerns, and yeah, here are some performance improvements for the project. And after that, Codex also gave me a phased plan. Plan one is to stabilize our config. Plan two, security baseline. Plan three, query and API admin. Plan four, production runtime. Plan four, Plan five, growth features. Plan six, observability and release discipline. So I'm going to ask Codex to implement this plan phase by phase, right? So over here, I'm going to simply say, I simply said implement the plan phase by phase, right? So I'm also going to just simply send this prompt and have Codex implement the plan phase by phase. So it's going to start with plan one. Once it's one plan one is done, it's moved to plan two. Let's wait for plan one to be executed first. Okay, so right now Codex is done. After 17 minutes of working, Codex has implemented the production readiness plan in phases. The phase one says it worked on the config. Phase two was security. Then we had performance, runtime. You get so everything. It has improved our application. The app is now production ready according to Codex. I'm going to ask Codex what next. What next? Let's hear what it has to say. So it's made changes to about 12 files. That's fine. So I asked Codex what next. I'm waiting for Codex's response. Okay, so Codex said next I have to run the migrate command. I'm currently on the Django backend. So what I've done so far can work with any programming language of your choice. If you're using JavaScript, if you're with Node.js, if you're using Laravel, it's going to work. So I'm currently using Django and React. So with whatever stack you're using, this output is going to help move your Vibe coded application to production ready. Hope you get. So what's next now is for us to deploy the application, because over here, Codex said here, the next technical phase is to add deployment files for your chosen host, add the real production media strategy, either Nginx or something like S3 Bucket or Cloudinary. We should add our CI/CD and also error tracking. So the next phase now is to deploy the application. Codex has made the application production ready. So back to my browser, let's see what I have here. If the app is still working, it's still working, right? That's good. It has been improved. It can now be used by real users, right? So the next phase is to deploy this application. So if you remember what we did, I asked Codex to scan the application for production readiness and point out architecture bottlenecks, scalability risks, security concerns, and give me some performance improvement tips. I also asked Codex to propose a phased implementation plan to help move the application from its works to production ready. And Codex has done that. Our app is now production ready. What's left is to deploy the application. So if I get enough comments on this video, I'm going to make a separate deployment video with Codex. We are going to deploy to a Linux server. I'm going to add something like S3 buckets for our media files. I'm also going to add CI/CD for our continuous integration. You get. So I'm going to stop here for this video. I hope you've gained some value. I hope you've gained some new knowledge. As for the prompts I passed, I'm going to drop this prompt in the pinned comment. As for the architect's queue, I'm going to also link it in this video's description. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Stay blessed and bye-bye.